Hey y'all, my name is Kyler Kippen, and this is
Bellamy Kippen.
And this is Kippen It Real. After snook. I know I keep saying that we're going to do a target species, but this time we're really going to get it. We're going after the snook today. We're using nothing but paddle tails. Bellamy's got his own, I got mine. We got extras in the backpack on my back, and we are going after the snook. So let's get to it. Backpack down here. We're gonna try and throw a few throws here. Probably like five to 10 throws each here. If not, we're gonna move on. All right. Don't try the same, or don't do the same spot every time. Try different spots.
I like passing the current.
Wow. Move over here. And as the tide goes out, these oyster beds will be bigger and wider and easier for us to walk on and walk across. Got a few hours of daylight. For us, it's a Tuesday afternoon. I see him. Okay. It's a bird over there. We're about to go help a bird. We're gonna have to save this bird. Oh, buddy. He's probably gonna try to bite me. Oh yeah, he's all caught up in his line. He's all caught up. All right. We're gonna grab his head. Okay. He's not really fighting me too much. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna help you out, buddy. We're gonna help you out. All right. Let me see. I'm gonna help you out, buddy. All right. Hold on. He's very weak. Oh man, he's very weak. He's not even barely fighting. I know, bud. I'm gonna help you. I know. Ooh, you got claws. Alright. I'm gonna help you. Don't worry, I got you. Don't worry. Okay. I need you to stop moving your legs. I don't know, if we weren't here, this bird would have died. And he's very weak right now. Holy crap. I got you, buddy. Alright, hold on. I know. Ow. That one hurt. I'm trying to help you, bud. I know. I'm trying to help you. I know. Gosh, this bird is so weak right now. He's probably been here for hours. Oh my gosh. I know. I'm trying to help you. Alright, I'm trying to help you, buddy. We're almost there. Oh, got one. Got it. Almost there, buddy. I know, it's right around your claws. I'm trying to help. He's digging his claws into me. I'm trying to help you. This is one bit of line around his foot, and then we're done. I know. I almost got you, buddy. There we go. Come on. There we go. All right, we got the line out. I'm gonna put him under the bridge. This guy surely would have died if I didn't help him. If we didn't come here, I'll put him over here. I'll be right there, bub. I'm coming. All right. There's my shoe. That's not good. All right. We're gonna let you go right here, buddy. There you go. Oh, he seems to be getting along. Look at that. Oh my goodness. We saved a bird. And I lost a shoe. But he seems to be getting along. That bird certainly would have died. I gotta try to get my shoe in this muck without cutting my feet up. Holy moly. I try to do right in the world. All right. We'll get all cleaned up here in a minute. All right. I'm gonna have to wash off really good, and then we can get back to fishing. Here we go. Look at that. Perfect flowing water. Saved a bird. And just like that, my shoes are clean. Snook right here. I'm gonna get him. Got him. Oh! I don't know. No idea. I'm gonna try maybe a baby snook. It's too small. Nice. Got him. Oh, man. Yeah, baby snook. They're too small. Got one. Come on. I gotta finally got this one. I think it's a trout. Yeah. Baby trout. You about choked this thing. I wasn't trying to get a trout, but you know, I'll take it. Like I said. Nice. Oh, bye-bye. I was about to let you go anyways. Daddy just caught a trout, you missed it. I don't really want a trout, I want a snook, but... Oh, did get another one, but I wasn't... Oh, come on, man. You followed it all the way. Got one. Oh, it's a ladyfish. Ladyfish. Lady. Oh, he got off. Oh, nice. Keep casting. There's gotta be a big one in here somewhere. I know I said snook, but I meant trout. We'll just cut the part out where I said snook earlier. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. Oh, man. Felt like it was going to be a good one. Got one. Oh, let's get him before he... I told you, snook. Literally. Told you about the smallest snook you can catch right here. This is Bellamy's favorite fish to catch. Obviously, you want to catch him much bigger than this. But, he's a beauty. Yeah. Oh. Oh, bye-bye. All right, hey, you're gonna come over on this side of me. There you go, that was a good one. It was close, but... Let's see. Oh. This got a bite.
Oh, oh.
You got one?
No, no, it came off.
Right there, that's good. That's a good one. It's a decent one. Oh, man, they keep getting off. There's a better one, not a good one. A better one than the last one. Come on. Keep getting little taps. I want a big tap. Come on. I got. Come on, stay on. Trout.
What is it? Snook? Trout?
Trout. Nope. Oh. All right, he gone. 2 trout, 1 snook. Nothing big. Nothing big, nothing fancy, but you just gotta keep going, bro. This trout can be really slippery. Bellamy outfished me the other day, so you know, sometimes it's my turn. Got one?
No, snook! That's a big snook! You got me off! I had a snook!
Ah, man.
Come on! That's a big snook!
Alright.
It's right there!
I know.
That's a big snook!
Walk back to the backpack. We gotta get you another one.
That thing was huge!
Oh,
Yeah.
I got a small one.
You probably had babies
Another small one.
or she.
Nice. Another small one. There we go. See you, buddy. Cast over here.
Right there?
Right where this, right where it curves right there, there's a bunch of snook right here. I bet you anything. They're small, but bet you'll catch another one right here. That's right in where that curve is. Right there. Gotta get a little bit further if you can. There was just a big one right there. I scared it away.
That probably
Couple people in a kayak. Oh, got him. There we go. No. Just swimming this way. Swim right over here. That's a better snook. A little bit better. No, stay still. It's a little bit better. The snook. Nice. That's all right. It's all right. That's probably a 17, 18 incher. Not a bad one. I mean, they get so much bigger than this. I'm just happy to get a bigger one. So nice.
His head is
You
giant.
want to touch him? Feel like a champion? No. There you go, buddy. There you go.
I want to get the baby snook. I didn't like your algae on my thing. Please like and subscribe to our channel.